Our greetings to you, dear university entrants. In this video we are going to tell you about a specialty of technical electrochemistry and electrochemical power engineering, what opportunities and prospects this specialty presents, and explain why a demand for qualified experts in electrochemistry is growing right now. The video is prepared by Kyiv National University of Technologies and Design, Department of Electrochemical Power Engineering and Chemistry. Our university takes a respectable place among Ukraine's leading institutions of higher education. It has long-standing traditions and acquired experience since it was founded more than 80 years ago. It is situated in a historical center of the city, Pechersk district. The university educates around 10,000 students. Apart from high-quality education, a great number of events and self-development workshops are available for students. Our technical electrochemistry department's teachers train the finest experts in electrochemical disciplines, grant all the necessary scientific knowledge and practical jobs in modern laboratories. The faculty promotes carrying out students' industrial practice at leading enterprises of Ukraine. After graduating, there is an opportunity for employment in the promising industries, such as creation of alternative power sources, development of modern batteries, fuel cells, supercapacitors, corrosion protection, synthesis of high-purity metals, and others. The head of the department, Professor Vyacheslav Barsukov, and his colleagues will tell you more about this and other topics now. Dear friends and colleagues, I would like to tell you briefly about our specialty and educational program of technical electrochemistry and electrochemical power engineering. This modern area of science and engineering covers the following main directions: electrodeposition of anti-corrosive and special types of coatings, including golden, silver, copper, zinc, and others; electroforming or so-called galvanoplastics for acquiring exact surface copies and making products with a complex form; well-developed area of electrochemical power sources, which are now very widely used, as you might know, in electric cars, smartphones, and other gadgets; refinement of metals to the high purity percentage of 99 and 5/9 after a decimal; so-called bioelectrochemistry, a study of energetic processes in living organisms. It investigates specifically how organisms such as electric ray generates highly powerful and energetic impulses. So we try to learn it in order to use these principles for construction of technical power sources. It must be said that a Master of Science in electrochemistry after obtaining our diploma becomes a universal kind of chemist that, accordingly to the standards, can take the following jobs as a chemist, chemical analyst, chemical engineer, research engineer, technologist engineer, chemical technologies engineer, electrochemical protection engineer, water purification technical engineer, environmental protection engineer, and others. Our graduates can be employed both in research institutions and at industrial enterprises. All modern machine building and instrument making enterprises have galvanic departments where protecting coatings are deposited and elimination of metal corrosion is accomplished. So that's where we find applications for us experts. Batteries are widespread, starting from electric cars, scooters, bikes, and to spacecrafts. Our specialty gives great advantages and is quite universal. I would also like to note that due to our department's constant participation in international grants and programs, we have an opportunity to assign our graduates for work in European countries. Our graduates work in Poland, Germany, Switzerland, and participate in execution of European grants and programs. I am sure that you will receive different opportunities if you choose studying at our department. Good day, dear entrants. My name is Volodymyr Homenko. I am a candidate of technical sciences. I work as a research fellow at Electrochemical Power Engineering and a chemistry department. I am responsible for studying the lithium-ion cells and batteries. Right now we are in the laboratory which is engaged in lithium-ion battery developments. As you know, this type of batteries can be found in numerous electric devices such as mobile phones, laptops, and camcorders. We have participated in a few international research projects which create the fundamentals for development of lithium-ion batteries for electrical vehicle application. Besides, due to these projects and grants, we were able to equip this and other laboratories with lots of modern tooling like glove boxes that allow us to work with lithium in the inert atmosphere. We have modern multi-channel and high-power devices for the purpose of studying these electrochemical cells. Now I'm going to demonstrate other devices that allow direct exploring of materials in another laboratory. Now we are in a laboratory that has the equipment for analytical purposes. This equipment allows to conduct chemical analysis of battery active substances. Also, it's possible to carry out an analysis for objects of ecology, namely monitoring water, soils, and air to detect the pollution. Here we have a modern X-ray fluorescence spectrometer from Cambridge, Great Britain, that allows allows determining composites of any objects, metals, solid, liquid and powdered matter. Also the device for atomic absorption from the USA, which can be used to analyze battery active substances and other solids with fantastic precision, 1 part per million. With the start of military actions at the east of Ukraine, a new direction was founded in our department: composite coating materials for protection from electromagnetic radiation.
A protective paint that is applied on inner parts of thermal images, optical sights and radiation intelligence devices were developed and patented by department contributors in order to solve a problem of electromagnetic compatibility and to reduce visibility of working devices.
Choose our department to get modern education and a chance for respectable employment. So we invite you to Kyiv National University of Technologies and Design at the Electrochemical, Power Engineering and Chemistry department. You are welcome to our specialty. We are going to be very glad to see you among our students.